Today we are introducing the all-new Teverun Fighter Supreme Ultra 2.0. So let's check it out. This is the first Teverun Fighter Supreme Ultra that comes with full carbon fiber wrap all around. Remember previously our Fighter Supreme Ultra comes with one piece carbon fiber. Now we have the whole thing, exactly like the 7260R version 5. This new version comes with the 7-button control. We have here today the founder of Teverun, Edwin.
Hello, let me show you some new function of this new Supreme Ultra. The first, we add a button here. Look at here. This button is control the battery. When the people do not use the scooter, press this button, they will cut battery, electricity. So in this way, the scooter can keep for a long time. Then when people just open the box or begin to use, you can press this button. Okay, it's bright. Now the battery for the scooter the electricity. Here is some new function. From the new version, we have some remote here. Use the remote, you can open and power off the scooter directly. The first time when we press this button, connect the battery, we need to press the button to power on. NFC area here. By the way, this is a remote. Backside of a remote, there's also NFC. So in case people lost their NFC, so just keep this, it's enough. And for now, the remote is work now. So you can use the remote to off the scooter and open the scooter, use the remote. And with this remote, there's other function. You can release the speed, just press these two buttons. The speed could be released. No need any other card. This is some new function.
Remember in the last Fighter Supreme Ultra, it comes with a green and red NFC key. Now both of these functions has been combined into one remote control, which is this. And this remote control comes with an NFC feature. Now the NFC feature is built into the key.
Okay, after power on, I will show you some new feature of the 2.0 system. At first, we take the phone, okay, and we connect the scooter. Now the scooter with the phone has connect. Let me introduce the first most important function of new system. I button. This name is we name this new function Teverun I button. Here this is a smart button, but in future this button will be marked with I button. This button the customer can choose the function by itself. For example, now it's kickstart. We press this button. This function is open the kickstart or off the kickstart. And now we can choose other function. Speed limited. You can use this button to speed limited and release the speed.
So let's say if your local police or any authorities are asking you, hey, how fast is this scooter? How many wattage is this scooter? With this button, you can limit the wattage immediately.
And there's other, like turbo. You know, for the last year, the 7260R, there's the important function is turbo. Can give the scooter extra power. But during that time, the button press is not so easy for people to understand and control. And now you can use this button to make the function of turbo. Then you will press this button, its turbo function start like this. Each function will be shown here, what you choose now. Another thing is you can use this to control the motor. Front motor, double motor, you can switch here to control the motor.
Can you press again?
Yeah.
Oh, so now this is rear
motor.
Okay.
Front motor, both motor, this function. And
so if it's front motor, does it mean pull motors?
No, if just show F, it's front motor. Show R, it's rear motor. Show both, it's both motor.
Oh, can we see both?
Now it's both F and R.
F and R, oh, F and R.
Yes.
Okay, so if it's front motor, that means only front motor is moving.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. And another function is lock. Here is the function of lock. We can lock the scooter. When you press this function, of course, this function needs the battery capacity more than 20% because this function takes battery energy. When it starts, here is the lock here.
So does it mean if the scooter is locked, it consumes energy?
Yes.
Okay.
Because during this period, when you off the scooter, okay.
So I'm going to show you how the lock function works if you are using this and you're parking outside of a store or something.
For now, the motor is locked remote. Okay.
Both of the brakes will be engaged. It's very hard to push the scooter.
Here's light shield. It's similar as the last year version. You can control the light of the whole scooter from here.
Can you show us?
Yes. For example, we choose the green light, like green light now. And we'll make it red light. Okay, red light now. And here is a lot of mode. You can choose here. Lot of mode here.
You can also increase the brightness of your LED lights now. If you are using at night, you are riding outside and you want to be seen by cars, you can easily turn on the brightness of the scooter so that the scooter all around, you will be able to be seen easily by cars. Can you dim the lights?
Yes, put this darkness like this. And we make it lighter,
So
lighter, and lighter.
now it's brighter.
Yes.
So I can see that it's actually getting brighter when he's turning it on. This is the difference between the 2.0 and all the older versions of the Teverun. By the way, this will be available all in the Voro warehouse. Every scooter that you order through Voro is going to come with the 2.0 version.
Other electrics. Here's, for us, the most important thing is after service. A lot of people didn't find out what's the problem of a scooter. So there's a function to check the whole scooter is good or not. Well, I can show you again. Press here. It will check all main parts of a scooter. If this is correct. In this way, the people will be very easy to find out what's the problem of a scooter.
So can you explain to me how does this work in the controller?
Actually, for the 2.0 system, we use the CAN system. It is very popular in the electrical car system and some luxury electrical motorcycle. Because this system, each part connect together. In this system, they can find out the parts connection is good or not. So it's one by one connect. So it's very precise and detailed, know the parts is good or not.
So in the electric scooter industry,
Yeah.
is there anybody else using the CAN system?
In China market, actually, I didn't heard any other body. I'm not sure in other country if they make, but I didn't hear about that. I only know some luxury electrical motorcycle factory make this.
Okay, so they are trying something new here that benefits the electric scooter consumers and pushing the boundaries of electric scooters. This new CAN system that is in the Teverun scooters are going to allow us to troubleshoot much quicker. And if you are trying to get a part, you can easily diagnose it with your app and find out what you need and just go onto our customer service team, tell them, hey, this is the part I need, this is the error code, here's a serial number, and boom, it can be done quickly.
Another is we put GPS in our scooter, mainly on the Fighter series. Because it's in China now, I cannot open the Google Map, so it's not work now. But when you go back to US, you press this button, you will find the location of your scooter. And this GPS might take volume from SIM card. So at the beginning, we supply 3 months. 3 months free of SIM card volume. It is for customer to test. In future, the customer think this function is good, want to use. They can charge the SIM card from our website, and you can buy the volume for 1 year, and then you can continue to use another year. The price is very cheap.
How much is it?
It's around $30.
$30.
Yes.
For 1 year.
Yes, 1 year.
So for $30, it buys you peace of mind knowing where is the scooter at any given time. And this is something that Teverun is trying, that they give you 3 months of free trial that they pay for you on the SIM card. And if you find that this feature is very beneficial for you to know where your scooter is at any given point, then consider topping up that feature so that you can track your scooter. If you're in a city like New York, this feature is very important.
Here's battery information, which is similar as the system last year. From here, we can get the battery situation. Here, see, check details, all the battery details here. Even the temperature.
So is this voltage tracking every cell?
Not every cell, it's every group of cell.
One cell equals to one group of cells.
Yes. Here also check the battery good or not.
Okay, can we click this again? This part right here. Okay, so can you maybe share this with customers? If they want to have their scooters, they want the battery to last longer, what should they do?
Actually, for this, we will add the function. It is mainly make people to charge, for the electric car. Mostly, car company will tell you, do not charge the scooter battery 100%. Normally, charge it 90%. In this way, they can make the battery use for long time. Yes, we will add this function in scooter also. It will be launched very soon.
Okay, very nice. So the temperature, right? Let's see one more time. So this is also tracking the BMS temperature.
Yes. BMS temperature
And the MOS temperature.
and MOS and the seal So there's total around 6.
Okay, off the top
Sensor.
of your head, do you remember if what's the lowest temperature the
Yeah.
battery pack can tolerate and what's the highest temperature?
Yes.
Do you remember?
You know, we use special battery. It's SK battery. This battery is very good performance on the low temperature. In the winter, it's very good performance. It is car used. So the environment temperature from -20 to 40 always work well.
So minus 20 degrees Celsius all the way up to 40 degrees Celsius, this is the ideal temperature for the scooter. But let's say if it's above 40,
Above 40, the environment,
yes,
it is also.
then what is the max?
A max, I think, is like a battery work temperature. The battery work temperature is below 60. So, I mean, for the environmental temperature or battery temperature more than 60 degrees, it is not good to use. The battery will be cut.
I see. So the maximum that the battery can tolerate in terms of temperature is 60 degrees Celsius. So in the hottest temperature in the country, you can still use the scooter. This is almost the boiling point of water. So we are talking about Celsius here, not Fahrenheit. I don't remember off the top of my head what's the conversion like, but it can tolerate very cold weather to very hot weather.
We added this trip. This can record the driver trip information like this. In future, the customer can check this record and they know how much, some details of during his trip. They will give you a report.
So can they see how much they use in 1 year?
Yes, like this.
Then can they see how much they spend on electricity?
Yes, he will give you some data, energy.
So in America, you can use the kilowatt hours to measure how much you are spending riding an electric scooter.
I think when we got more feedback from customer, we will improve this information. Maybe we can add more, which customer care about information in future. That is just a 2.0 system launch. We want to listen to hear more voice about this system.
Yeah, so if you can add, we should definitely add like how much customers spend
Yeah.
every month charging the scooter.
Yeah.
So they know how much, why the scooter pays for itself. It's worth getting a scooter.
Yes. How much, what hour
Yes.
they use,
Yes, correct.
and how much they charge the scooter.
Yeah. correct.
Yeah.
That would be a very good feature.
Yes. The people will know how much cost.
Yeah, correct.
Yes. Okay. We will check it.
Anything else we want to share with the app?
Another thing is like this. There's a picture, not the picture, it's a move. It means when the scooter, for example, the light will work when you make the turning light work. And when you open the front light, here also front light work. Here.
So there's animation showing which button is on.
Yes, and also when got some problem, for example, display problem, okay, here display will become red color.
So that's all for the app. So as you can see, the app has went through a lot of software update on the 2.0 version. So we are very excited to bring this to you when you are trying your new Teverun scooter. Now, I'm noticing that the Fighter Supreme comes with thumb throttle now. In the past, it was trigger throttle. So is this specific for all the Teverun scooters or just the Ultra?
In the new version 2026, this throttle will be used on all Teverun scooter.
Okay, nice. 来看一下那加速器. Why is this throttle better than, let's say, the 5星 throttle?
Actually, for us, it's similar because we used to for this throttle before. But in some markets, like US and some other markets, the most people like this. It's more comfortable for them to use. So we think this throttle is better and more people can like it.
Yes,
one more thing I have to make some customer clear because we have this Super Ultra and another one is 726R. There's a lot of people mixed these two models.
Yes.
So for now, I need to show you the exactly different of these two models. The first, this model is Super Ultra. It's 11 inch, but the 7260R is 13 inch. The wheel size is different. Another biggest difference is power, because for this, the controller is 55 ampere and 2000 watt motor. But for 7260R, it's 70 ampere and max 90 ampere controller. And the motor is 2500 watt. So the 7260R, the power is much more bigger, stronger than this one.
Okay, so we are trying to make this clear for consumers that when you are trying to buy the Teverun Fighter Supreme, don't get confused between the Ultra and the new Fighter 7260R. So what Erin is trying to explain is what we have been telling customers all the time. And there's a price difference, right?
Yes, price is also different.
Ultra and 7260, the price has a big difference. But the speed and power has a big difference as well.
Yeah.
So the Ultra has much smaller controller output than the 7260R version 5. So we are looking at what's the top speed on the Ultra?
For the top speed for Ultra is around 105.
105 kilometers per hour.
Yes, kilometer per hour.
So it's 62 miles per hour.
Yes.
Then what is the top speed on the 7260R?
76R is 120.
120. So around 70 miles per hour. So 10 miles per hour difference it's not just about the price you pay, but it's what you get. You're getting a lot more power for the price you're paying. And for the scooter, it's meant for bigger riders. If you are a big rider, this scooter is perfect for you. And the large deck space, the powerful speed that gets you uphill easily.
One more thing. For the Supreme Ultra is 1 damper, but the 7260R is 2 damper. Others is same.
So that's all we have for the 7260R Fighter Supreme Ultra 2.0 with all these great features that you can get in the all-new scooter. If you have any questions about this model, please reach out to our customer service team and you can get a hold of this brand new model at VoroMotors.com. See you on the next one.